and any of those who are involved, regardless of their status in this society, regardless of their standing in the political formation they belong to, and regardless of their political affiliation, we will act on them, act firmly, without fear or favor. That's what we are expected to do. And I can assure the people of Kenya, we will do it. You have seen what we have done this week. We are going to intensify our efforts in that respect. We will not have room in our country for leaders, especially political leaders, who are bent on dividing the country, causing unnecessary conflict within and hurting our people. So we will not relent on that. We've just begun, and we are going to intensify that activity as we go forward. Before 8th, everyone was asking me, is voting going to be affected? And I want to say this to all of you. Every Kenyan registered to vote will vote. It is our responsibility to provide them security and to ensure that they vote. And as far as the work that is going on with our colleagues out there, we are happy with the collaboration we have out there and with the work that the multi-agency team is doing. And our aim remains to ensure that every part of our country is secure and every Kenyan's property is safe.